course. The course teacher has control over the layout of the course homepage and can change it at any time. The teachers can then add the content to the course area by way of adding resources and activities and reorganize them according to their own needs. See, these are the various types of resources and activities which you can find in a Moodle site. By default, 7 different resources: books, file, folder, then content package, label, pages, and URL. These are the default resources, and totally 14 default activities will be there in a standard installation of Moodle. So that may vary, depends on different installations. And apart from the default activities, the teacher can add or more resources and activities using external plugins. That is also possible. See this big blue button, attendance and certificate, which you can see in this slide. Actually, these are external plugins that is possible to add in your Moodle site. And about resources and activities, resources basically it is built by the teacher. The contribution, the teacher is contributing various resources for making the course in a better way, for a better learning experience. And in the case of activities, again, the teacher is posting different types of activities like assignments, quizzes, and peer evaluation workshops, etc., or some forums. And the students is responding for that. So the contribution for activities from both the sides, from the teacher as well as the students. Today we will discuss various resources like file, then I will go for a folder, then a URL, then how to include, then pages. See these 4 resources we will discuss how to include in our course page to make it better for a learning students learning experience. Okay. So the pages and URL, folder, and file. And now I will show you a sample Moodle site which I am using in my college for teaching my PG students. Excuse me. So this is the Moodle site. This is the Moodle site we have installed. We have deployed in our college. We have took space in AWS, Amazon Web Services, and installed created an instances in Amazon Web Services, and a team of faculty members are there to admin this courses and enrolling the students, and so total management of the Google site. And depends on the requirements of the institution. We used to add teachers and students into the website, okay, in the Moodle site. Yeah, after successful login to the Moodle site, excuse me. After successful connection of the login, you will get the landing page will be a dashboard. The landing page of the Moodle site will be a dashboard. Dashboard contains different blocks like left side you can see different options. Menu bar, you can see a menu bar. So the look and feel of the Moodle website will be different for different institutions, because we can use different themes. We can use different themes for giving different types of costumes to our Moodle website. So this won't be the Moodle website for another college may not be look like this. So you might be knowing the Patashala is not look like this because they are using some other theme for that. So the general components will be same in all the Moodle sites. So in dashboard, you can see different options like site home, calendar, private files, and my courses. These are the various courses to which the current user enrolled. So this is also, this dashboard is also customizable. So it is possible to customize this page. By clicking on this option, you can customize this page. You can remove some of the blocks from this, or you can add some of the blocks which they allow. And here I have customized like this course overview, which contains the different courses to which I have enrolled. Okay. And see, dear participants, if you have any doubt, please unmute and ask the doubt. Okay. And on the right side, you can see the different types of blocks like online users, calendar, upcoming events. Like, so these you can customize these. I will take one course. See, these are the various thumbnails of the courses to which the user enrolled. Okay, and I'm by clicking on the thumbnail of the particular course, you can enter into that course. It's the Python, this is MSc Computer Science Semester 3 program. So this is okay. On the top, as Mira show you how to change the name of the Moodle site and its short name, logos, etc. So this is our Moodle site logo. And then you can see the course name. This is the course name, MSc S3 Python programming. Okay. Then this is the course code. This is about the course. On the right side, there is a small component. This shows the logged in, the information about the logged in user. Excuse me. And here, about the course, you can put this small block to tell about your course. That is a good practice for better do like this. About the course, you can maintain a block like this. You can write a course objectives or something like here. And I have inserted different resources here. This resource is for showing the syllabus, or it's a downloadable file. This is a file resource actually. This resource is called a file resource. It is possible to upload different types of files into Moodle, like PDF file, portable document format files, or docx or PPT, or any text file. Any type of file can be included here. If it is PDF, better you include PDF, because if you want to, if you are sharing a particular type of format of file, make sure that the student should have the proper software to open it. Because suppose you are sharing a document file, the student does not have MS Word, then it may not be possible to open that file in the student's end. That's a problem. So better you share a document which is publicly available formats, better in PDF formats. Okay. And the video, audio, everything can be uploaded, because that MP4, MP3, everything is common, and there's so many free softwares are available in publicly. It's available freely, so the students can open it without any problem. So this is a syllabus file. This in front of the syllabus file, you can see a small icon. This icon shows the type of the file. And here the size of the file, the type of the document, uploaded date and time, everything will be here. This you can modify it. You can modify it. What all the things to be shown, that you can set it. Okay. And on the right side, you can see a small small square. Sometimes here you can see a solid square, and here you can see a dotted square. So again, this depends on different installation. Sometimes this is for task completion. If the students open this and close, this will be automatically ticked. The tick mark will come automatically, which means that this is an alert for students, as well as a checking for a log for teachers also. after that, teacher can check whether the student has been opened this or not. And the student, it's an alert for student, whether the student is able to know whether I have opened this read or not. Like, so that can be, so while creating a file resource, it is possible to include the right side, this task completion square box. And this is again another resource. This resource is called the page resource. That icon, this icon stands for the pages. I have inserted a video. Guido van Rossum, this is the developer of Python developed by Guido van Rossum. A small introduction about the Python is included here. It is possible that you can introduce the developer to the students. It's better way, So you can add a video, a page, or directly you can insert a video here. That is also possible. Then the third resource is log on to Snackafee is a website. This is a URL. This icon stands for a URL, and this icon is used to give external link from your Moodle site. Okay, these are the various types, and if you click on this syllabus, it will show you the syllabus of that particular program. Okay, see. The student can go through the syllabus, and if needed, they can download this or take print out everything from our Moodle site. Okay, that is the use of this providing syllabus on Moodle site. Then Guido van Rossum, if you open this, it will show. We can play this by click on this. The video will be played, but sound won't come to you. That's why I'm not playing this. Okay. Then if you click on this Snackafee, it will take you to that website. Okay, then you can see. Okay, I'll show you this later. Okay, then this is one topic, Python introduction. In Python introduction is a topic section. It's one of the sections of this course page, which contains a page. This is a page, module contents. If you click on this, it will show you. It will take you. Sorry. Some conditions. I've given some conditions also. Okay, some restrictions I have put. That's why that's why it's not coming. So it is possible to show the module content using pages. Then Python introduction. Okay, PPT that I've converted that PowerPoint into PDF and inserted into this, so that can be downloaded and by the students. Okay. See, instead of making a very big PPT or PDF file, I have split. That is a better way to split a big learning material into small objects, and distribute to the students. Because reading a very big document won't be, the students may not have that patience to read all those things. So it's better to cut short, or not cut short, better to split a big document into small modules and make it as a PDF file and give to the students through our website. And even you can give the lab cycles through this and ask the students to submit the lab cycle ref record within this a typical time. And I'm using this Snackafee for doing our lab. In the form of assignments. Okay, these are all activities. These activities will be taken by another resource person on another session. Okay, so I will cover this file, page, URL, and folders. Okay, so this way you can create any number of topics, topic sections in your Moodle course, and of course. You can conduct an internal evaluation, internal examination, or model examination with the use of Moodle. See, actually, I have conducted this model examination of Python to MSc students using Moodle. So how this is the first two part, the two quizzes I have given, then by way of giving assignments. So we can give different types of restrictions like from which time to which time it should be activated, like so many restrictions that we will cover in particular sessions. Okay, so So what I want to show is, I want to convince that the Moodle is a better platform for delivering our course content, and it can be even used for evaluation purposes, for discussions, everything. This is a very good and technically and operationally and economically feasible software, because this is a free software. Moodle is a free software which can be downloaded free of cost. And what do you need? You need to hire some space for that. For that, now I am paying. See, for a basic installation, it required only a dual core with the 4 GB RAM. So that depends upon the usage. We can include it. If you go for Amazon services, you can start with a dual core with 4 GB. Then as and when required, you can increase it. It costs around 2,000 to 2,500, sometimes below 2,000 per month. Okay, so easily you can. It's very economic. And okay, this is all about the sample pages. Then now we'll see. We'll go for any questions from the participant side. Any questions? No. I think all have created your own Moodle site and a course for that. So directly, I'm going to the Moodle site, which is prepared for this particular FDP. I'm giving my credentials, and Intu ma'am, please.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Audible. Everything is okay. Perfect.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So I have given proper credentials, the credentials which set for me to this ATAL-FDP.moodlecloud.com. This is a site which is prepared for this particular FTP. One course is created, and the administrator allow me to enter into as a teacher. My role is a teacher. Okay, I'm clicking on this. This is a dashboard. Yeah, now I have entered into the course page. This is a course page. So this is you see that it is a responsibility of the teacher to populate this course page with proper contents like files, activities, etc. Various types of resources and various types of activities. Okay, so we'll see different. I'll give you a small explanation about the content. See on the top, this is the name. This is the name of the course. And this dashboard, my course, and FP. Only one course is available. Only one course is in the dashboard. Left side, you can see the dashboard. In that menu, and the last my courses FP is there. Fundamentals of programming. Only one course is available. This is the short name of that particular course. On the right side, right end, you can see an action menu. There is a gear menu. This is a settings menu. Commonly, you can say it as a gear menu. It's like a gear, so you can say it as gear menu or a settings button. And down, you can see a turn editing on button is there. Okay, usually in some installations, the turn editing on will be one of the options inside these options or inside this action menu. Okay, you cannot see the turn editing on button outside. See, while clicking the this gear button, you can see the turn editing on option inside this action menu. Okay. See, if you want to edit, see, these are, I think this is created topic wise. There are 5 topics are there, or 5 days. See, this name can be edited. You can give any name, no problem. So you can turn on. See, if you want to edit something on this course page, you need to set the edit on. Okay, always remember this. You cannot, otherwise you cannot edit. The teacher cannot edit this. Okay, see, if the teacher want to edit any one of the items which is present in this, you need to set the edit on. So click on the edit on button. Yeah, now the look and feel are different. Okay, see, there is an edit option on the top, then add an activity or resources. Okay, then edit. This edit is for this particular cell. It contains the Day-1 resources and activities you can put on over this place. And then see, each and every topic or day have its own edit button and add an activity resource link. Okay, so using this particular links, you can add add activities and resources in that particular topic or day. Okay, and if you want to edit this, if you want to first of all, I want to this is a fundamental programming in Python. I will rewrite. Just I will tell you what is the use of this. Edit sections, edit settings. Then it will take you to a page. Here I am writing fundamental programming. Sorry, fundamental programming space hyphen Python. I have made a small change in that. Okay, now it has been changed. Fundamental programming Python. Okay, so with the use of this settings button, it is possible to edit the settings of. You can change the format of the particular course. It is possible to change the format of the particular course. Many things you can do. That's the use of this. This might have Mira might have explained these things. Hope and now the editing is off. Editing is on. Now editing is on. That's why the button shows turn editing off. See, if you click on this is a toggle button. Click on this, the editing. So the editing option goes off. Okay, so you make editing on. And in this portion, actually the top portion is called a general portion. This is a general portion. Here you can include before going to the Day-1, if you want to do a pre-evaluation module, you can include that evaluation module in this place. Okay, so this the top portion can be used for giving a general idea about the course, etc., etc. For that, click on this edit button over this. Click on this edit button, edit section. Click on edit section, and you can click on this custom. See, if you untick, the general will come. If you tick, the general won't go. About the course, you can say about the course. You can type about the course. Okay, and save changes. Now about the course, a small title appears on the general path. Here also you can see, if you click on this, no, it's not coming. Okay, no, adblock. Okay, about the course. Then if you want to give a small intro about the course, I will copy this from. Okay. Okay, this is about the course. I have given a small title in the general, and I want to put something, a description about the course. Again, go to the edit section, and you can give a summary about this. Okay, so this is an editor. This is common for many of the resources. This editor is come along with many of the components like resources and activities, and this editor is called ATO editor, ATTO ATO editor. This is a very good editor. on the left side, you can see a small button, a small icon, a down arrow button. If you click on this, the more edit option, the more formatting option will appear. If you click again on the same button, it will go off. Means you can toggle the detailed formatting option. This is called Atto editor. This is a text editor, which is this is built exclusively for this Moodle site. And many other tiny MCE and symbols text editors are available, and new editors can be plugged in into it by admin can plug in. If you want to plug in, if you want to include a new editor into your Moodle site, it is possible. The administrator can plug into it. Okay, so this is a small but a good featured editor, which is exclusively built for Moodle website. And you can use those things. This is many things are there. You can see different different fonts. You can make it bold, okay, italic, then bullets. Bullets are possible. You can give links. You can unlink, break link. You can include images, video, audio. Okay, you can record. Even you can record if you have a proper settings software in your computer. You can record directly from this. And so many formatting options are available. You can include the text. If you are familiar with, if you are good in HTML, you can see the HTML behind this text. Okay, what is HTML behind this text? You click on this, you can see the HTML program. This is HTML program. If you are not good in HTML, you don't go for that. Okay, this is a very simple text editor, and you can, after that, you can save this. Okay, so this is all about, you can turn editing off. Click on this button, and now you can see this is all about the course, the fundamental programming Python. This is about the course. And while the students, while reading this, he will be able to know all about the course. Okay, so whether the participants are catching or what, you are doing along with me? Okay, thank you, Alka, thank you, Anil Kumar. Okay, Swapnayam. Okay, do along with me, and if you stuck any time, you just ask me. I will stop and I will rectify if possible. Okay. So this way you can make. I am turning editing on. So always remember, if you want to edit something on the course page, you need to make this turn editing on. Okay, now this is on. And if you want, quick edit is possible. Suppose if you want to change the name of this particular topic or particular topic, suppose you want to change this day 1, you click on this this icon, pencil icon. You can see a pencil icon here. You click on this. Okay, then a small text box appears. Here you can type introduction. Okay, introduction. Then enter, press enter key. Press enter key. Press enter key. Then you can find that the changes happened on this. Okay. So this way you can change the title of your page. Okay, this way you can change the title of a day 1, a topic title can be changed like this. So what you have to do is you click on this pencil button. Click on this pencil button and give a proper name, and then press enter key. Enter key, you can change it. Okay, this is a quick edit method. Okay, then we'll see. I want to add a syllabus. Now I'm going for show you how to include a file into this website. Okay, into this course website. So go to this add, edit, or resource, add an activity or resource. click on this add an activity or resource. Okay, click here. That will take you to a page which contains all types of activities and resources. Okay, this Moodle installation contains more than 14 activities and 7 resources. So this window shows all activities and resources. So if you want to filter the resources alone, you click on this tab. Okay, there are 3 tabs are here: all, activities, and resources. So if you click on, by default, all will be active. And if you want this resource alone, you click on the resource tab. It shows the resources only, right? And click on the file. So I'm going to insert a file, a resource into our course page. Okay, you do along with me. Okay, if you have any problem, you ask. Click on this file icon. That will take you to another window, adding a new file. Here you can put the name. I am putting the name as a syllabus. I'm giving this name of the resource is syllabus, as syllabus. Then if you want to give some description, you can give the description. This is a downloadable. This is a downloadable document which contains the syllabus of the course. Okay, if you want, you can fill this, and if you want to display this along with the file name, you can check this box. Okay, you can make this checkbox on, and then this is a way you can add a file into our Moodle site. Okay, you click on this icon. See, this is a folder, this is a folder, this is a file. Again, this is also a file. Add file. Click on this add file. That will take you a file picker window. See, in file picker window, there are different options over here. From server, you can take a file. From recent file, you can select a file from the recent file from the server, then upload a file. So if you want to upload a file from your local device, click on this upload file, and you can get another option, choose file. Click on this choose file button. That will take you to this is a common procedure for selecting a sample doc, or this is I'm Python syllabus. I'm selecting this, and okay, click OK button. So that Python syllabus PDF. Okay, then upload this file. Okay, now that file is here. See, if you want, it is possible to drag and drop the file from your device to this place. That is also possible. So you can make this windows a little bit small, and you can drag the file from your device, and you can drop into this place. That is also no need of going to this file picker and all. That is also possible. Then appearance, better automatic. I will tell you about, there are different types of appearances: automatic, embed, force download, open, and in pop-up. These are the various ways to display your file when a student click on this file. And if you want to show the size, you can check this. If you want to show the type, you can check this. If you want to show the update or modified date, that also you can check this. Okay, this is for when display the file. Under that file, if you want to display this resource description, no need of now I'm giving it as unticked, and then you can leave all those things, the restriction, everything you can leave at this position. Then activity completion, it's a good one. Activity completion, that I told you, on the right side of the file, you can see a small I'll show you if this is open. Yeah, this is the activity completion. If you want to make this this is for activity completion. For automatic completion, this is automatic completion. means the dotted square, and this is manual completion that automatically after the manually the student needs to check this. Okay. So this will check automatically. This is useful for giving an alert to the student. If the student sees this, student can be able to identify, I didn't see open this till now, like that it is possible. Even the teacher can check the log whether the student is checked, read this or not, or played this video or not. Like that's a utility of the activity completion. Student can manually, there are different options over this. Do not indicate activity completion. So if you don't want to put any activity on this, you can put it as do not want any activity completion. Then student can manually mark the activity as completed and show activity completed when conditions are met. What is a condition? Condition may be student must view this activity to complete. This way you can make. For a syllabus, actually, there is no need of giving any activity completion. Okay, so I'm not giving any activity completion and I'm saving this. Now our course page contains a file which contains syllabus. See, this is just right indented. Okay, some small spaces here. I'll switch off this editing. Yeah, so this is a right intent. That is for better documentation, better look. Automatically, it will write intent. Okay, so this is a file a resource which contains the name of the file and the type of the file. That is a small icon you can see. That is the type of the file, and it shows the size of the file as well as the type and uploaded date and time. And this is the description. See, if you don't want to show this here, you can avoid this. Okay. Then if a student click on this, what will happen? If a student click on this, so our course page goes off. See, instead of that course page, in the same window, the document appears. That's the problem with automatic. Okay. So see, again, if you want to get the course page, you need to go back. Otherwise, your course page will go. That's a problem with this. So to avoid this, turn editing on. Click on. Now, if you want to change the settings of this, you click on right side. You can see an edit link. Click on edit link and edit on the edit settings. Click on the edit settings. So that will take you to this. Here you can, if you don't want this description to show on the course page, you can uncheck this, and in appearance, click on appearance. Instead of automatic, you give embed. Okay, then I'm saving this. Okay, I will try to open. Suppose if the student click on this, see what will happen. Yeah. The syllabus page appears inside our Moodle page, course page. This is good looking actually. So this is a better way to include. Otherwise, if it is automatic or if it is open mode, even in open mode, our course window will goes off, or the page, the file will be open the same window. Sometimes we may forget to go back and log off from our website. That's a problem. So better you give it as an embed appearance. We'll see all the appearances. Okay. You see it's a feature rich. Directly from, you can go for this directly from that page. Appearance, instead of embed, I'm giving forced download. What we'll see what will happen. Forced download. Click on this. Yeah, again, if you click on this, it will be downloaded. Okay, yeah. On the taskbar, you can see the file is downloading into your. Most probably, it will be in the download folder or the folder where you have specified. Okay, so this is a way. Now I'm editing this. We'll go for another appearances. appearance and forced to, instead of forced download, I'm giving it as open is almost same as automatic. I'm in pop-up. I'm selecting it as in pop-up and save and return to course. We'll see on click on this syllabus. See, it will show in a separate window. Okay, it will show in a separate window apart from our Moodle window. Okay, the title, everything is different. The title is the application name, that is MS Word. Yeah, it's a PDF. It's a they're treating it as a docx. That's a problem. And the file name also they are giving. See, this is a separate. This way also you can give, no problem. This way also you can give, but better you can select. So from this. Yeah, from this we identified the better appearance will be pop-up or the embedded. Better you use embedded or depends upon your need, you can change it, no problem. I'm giving this as embed. And display resource description that I have given, we'll see what will happen on this. Yeah, that display description is not here, but if you put on, if you click on this, it will show this. Under that, the description has come. Okay, so the description about the code, about the syllabus, about the file, the description about the file can be shown in the course page or in that particular, when you open, you can display the description under that file. Okay, that is also possible. Okay, this way also possible. For that, you need to do like this. You go to the course page. Yeah, here edit button, go to settings. Okay, go to settings. See, if you turn on this, if you check on this, this will be displayed in the course page. If you don't want to display this on course page, untick this. Then appearances. If you want to display the description on the content where the file content shows, if you want to display that under that file content, you check this. Okay. Now this won't be shown in anywhere. Better to take here. So this is for showing the size, showing the type, and this is the upload or modified date, etc. Okay, and restrictions, activity completion, everything you need to do. Okay. This is all about the files. This way you can show your files, and edit button contains some other options like, see, if you want to move this entire file content little bit right, move to right. Now this is a little bit moved a little bit right. And again, if you want to move to right, this is possible. Move to left, that is possible. Okay. Then hide. See, suppose you have, this is in progress, your file is in progress, and suppose you don't want to show this on to the students, you can hide this. Now this is hidden from students. Now this is hidden from students. Okay, this is the way progress materials can be hidden from the, see, sometimes it is possible to hide the entire topic also. See, if you hide this week itself, this is a week format, that's why it's given as week. Hide week means it will, whatever the resources and activities you are putting on this won't be hidden from the students. Okay, so this way you can hide you can show. Now it is turn it on. Now it is hidden. It is shown to students, and you can duplicate also. You click on this, that will get duplicated. Okay, now it's a copy. Okay, you can do some that is possible. So duplication is possible, and after duplication you can drag. That is also a very important feature. You can drag this to another section. That is also possible. Okay, it is possible to drag. You can duplicate this file and make a copy. You can make a copy of this file and drag to another section of your course page. That is also possible. Okay, and if you don't want this, you can delete this. Okay, I'm deleting this. I've deleted. Okay, it shows an alert and you can delete it. Okay, and assign roles. See, initially, see, you can switch to different roles that Mira might have shown you. See, click on this, switch role to, you can switch role to different non-editing. This is only allowed to me. non-editing teacher, student, and guest. Suppose student. Now this is student. Student cannot edit this. Okay, student cannot edit this. Okay. And now no students are available here. That's a problem. Otherwise, I should have. I will check it. I will check it out. Editing on. Editing on. You can check the participants of this particular course by click on this right side. Before the second option is participant. Click on these participants. It will take you to a list of participants. Yeah, many are there. Teacher, so many teachers. Okay. All the resource persons are enrolled here as teacher. Okay, no students are here. Okay, that is a list of participants. Okay.
Sir, how to restrict a participant?
Yeah, it is possible to restrict a participants taking this. See, click on this, edit settings. You can give restrict access. Okay, you can add restrictions. You can give add restrictions to a particular user, or you can give restrictions date-wise or grade-wise, or a restriction set. You can set different add set of nested restriction to apply the complex logic. Like, see, for activating, for accessing some resources and activities, we usually go for this date restriction. If you click on this date, you can set a date for this. From which date onwards? From add restriction, again date, until. This way you can add a date. From which date to which date this can be accessible. Okay, sir. And you can restrict a user profile also. Okay, user profile, you can choose Salim. You can choose a name, first name, which contains Salim equal to Ibrahim. So that is not coming actually. It is possible. It is possible to first name equal to Ibrahim. Yeah, Ibrahim. Then the value. Yeah, you need to put the value only. Then the first name equal to or contains, doesn't contain, like different options are there, or ends with. If it is empty, not empty, he or she can access this. Okay, this way you can add restrictions. Okay, the grade also. Okay, there are different. See, after the activity, when you learn about activities, you might be learning about how to give grading and all. So if you want to access a particular resource, the total grade of the student should be greater than 15 or 20, 25, like we can specify it like. So the system will be automatically calculate the student's grade, and if it is satisfied, it will allow to. So this way you can give different types of privileges to students also. Okay, sir, your question is rectified, sir?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Thank you, sir. And restrictions you can add like this: date-wise, grade, user, and restriction set. Also, we can put different complex restrictions you can put over here. So this is I have inserted. Then role. Then assign role. Sometimes you may need to assign. The teacher is busy with doing something, and teacher can assign a student, a faithful student, a class leader, to do some task, to manage the resource file. In that case, the teacher can assign role student. Here all student, there is no need actually. 1 minute, because that is not available here because it is restricted. Non-editing teacher, another can be treated. You see, the teacher can give privilege a student as non-editing teacher. He cannot edit, the teacher cannot edit it. The student cannot edit it as a non-editing teacher, but do some changes over the settings and all. That is possible. Or the administrator give privilege to me to include teacher over here. Okay, the administrator can give privilege to me, allow a student as a teacher. So in that case, there should be a role of teacher should be here. The administrator of this particular website didn't give me that privilege. That's a problem. Otherwise, a teacher link will be here. I can select teacher link. Then if you click on this teacher link, it will take you this page, and it will show all the users enrolled in this particular course. Then I can choose a particular a student or a user and add. So that now Ashwati Gopalan will become a non-editing teacher in this. So back to list roles. I can see the role. See, non-editing teacher Ashwati Gopalan from ICT. So this way the teacher can change a role of a particular user to another role. That is possible. The main usage of this is sometimes the teacher can allow a non-editing teacher as teacher, or a student as non-editing teacher, a student as teacher. That is possible for making some editing in the resource files. Okay. I hope you might have understood this. Okay, thank you. You might have understood this. So you got this, the role and everything, roles. See, these are the various options available in the edit menu. Move right, move left, hide, then duplicate, assign roles, or you can delete it. Okay, this way you can manage your file. Okay. Now, if you go for a Word file, suppose you want to insert a Word file instead of a PDF file. PDF file, you can open this PDF file in your course page. Okay, that is possible. But for a Word file, what happens when you insert a Word file? Activity, add an activity or resources, click on resources, then file, click on the file, then this is a Word file. 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 Description, not writing any description over here. Then I'm selecting the file. Then selecting the file from okay, upload a file. Then choose file. From this, I'm selecting a sample doc. Okay, this is a Word file. So upload this, or you can drag that file over here. Appearance, this as not automatic embed. I'm putting this as embed. We'll see what will happen. And show and type everything. I'm making the tick. And activity completion is also I'm giving an activity completion. Student activity completion. Okay. Activity, show activity as complete when the conditions are met. What is the condition? Student must view this activity to complete it. You can put a date also. If you enable this button, you can put a date also. Between that date, it should the student should needs to read this, open and close it. Okay, reading or what, that is not my our part. Just open and close. The Moodle site will make it as a completion. Okay, save it. I'm saving this. Actually, the appearance is embed. We'll see what will happen. See, every time when you create a new component into this site, it will take you to a tour. You can stop that tour. Yeah. See, this is a view. This is view. This is see, in this particular installation, view is here. View means automatically. See, instead of that square on the right side, it shows view, or like that activity, the activity completion, it shows as a button over here in this particular. That's why it. That's what I'm saying, that the look and feel will be different for different types of installations. Okay. See, when you click on this, when you click, it shows that this is the icon for this icon for. See, this is right, a little bit right in that because I have moved to the right. That's why here is some spaces. So when you click on this Word file, yeah, instead of showing that Word file over here, it automatically downloaded into the device. That's the thing. Okay. So it automatically downloaded the file into your device. Okay. So no need of you see, if it is a Word file, no need of giving embed because it is not possible. So if you want to embed some files, that should be publicly available format. That is PDF file can be opened in your course page. Okay. So this is a way you can add a Word file into this Word file. I'm editing. I'm making this as appearance. Its appearance as automatic. Okay, automatic or in a pop-up, whatever it may be. It won't go for opening this because it is not PDF or any. Please unmute the participants, please. As if you want to ask any doubts, you can ask, no problem. Okay. Otherwise, you unmute it. Yes, this is automatic because this is a Word file. You make it as an automatic, or if it is embed or no need of giving forced download, because if it is a Word, automatically it will download. That we have seen now. Okay. So activity completion will be like this. Now we'll see these are the examples of two file options. Now we'll see another resource folder. We'll see how to include a folder in your Moodle course page. Okay. You can better to see what will happen on turn editing on. We'll see. This is appearance of your. See, you can switch over a role to a student and see the appearance of your course page. Okay, this way. Done view. Okay, because we already seen this. That's why view done. Okay. Otherwise, this won't be like this. You can return to my normal role, click on here, and you can turn the editing on. So participants, please, you are doing along with me or what? Please, you are doing along with me. Okay, thank you. If you have any doubts, you can ask me, no problem. And now we'll go for a folder. Okay. I'm going to create a folder in the introduction section. Click on the activity, add activity resource link on the introduction section. Click here. Yeah, that will take you to a window which contains all the resources and the activities. Click on the resource tab. From this, you can choose the folder or folder item from this. Click on this. That will take you to a window. In that window, you can put the name of learning resources. I'm giving the name of the folder as learning resources. Okay. Description. If you want to write some description, you can put over here. I'm not giving any description. Then I can add content over here. I can add files and folders over this. So it is possible to add files. It is possible to create folders in this in this learning resource folder. This is a folder actually. Okay, now I am putting some files into it. Click on this file. Then from the recent file, I can choose these both. Okay, select this. Okay, then again from the recent, I'm choosing this. Select this. I've selected two files into it on a storage on a separate page. Display folder content on a separate page on or inline the course page. See, if you want to show the folder details in the same course page, it is possible to show it. You need to select this inline on course page option, and you can choose this folder expanded, show folders expanded. Otherwise, if you untick this, you need to click on this to expand it. See, initially I ticked here, I checked this, and force download file, show download folder button. See, initially I checked this also. You can see a download folder button under that folder. That will be, we'll see. And activity completion, everything is there. I'm not giving all those things. Save this. We can put restrictions also. See, this is the way you can add a folder in your course page. See, this folder contains the name of the folder is learning resource, and it contains two files. This is a button which is used to download the folder. You click on this, the entire folder will be downloaded into your local machine in a zip format, as a zip file. Okay, we'll see. Click on. We'll see that, or click on this. We'll see. Yeah. Now the learning resources that will be downloaded into your local machine. Okay. See. Okay. And now I'm going to insert. See, when you click on this icon, it will be collapsed. Okay, or it will be expanded. See, I have given default. It will be in expanded form. That's why it is shown as expanded. If you click on this, it will be collapsed. Okay. You go to that edit setting again, and I'm trying to insert a folder into it. I'm trying to insert a folder here. Create a folder. Folder name is let it be very important, or an assignment cushion. Create. Now a folder is created inside this, and I'm clicking on this, and now we can drag files into it. I'm taking another file, upload a file, choosing I'm sample doc, or okay, this PNG file I'm downloading into it. Okay, upload this. Okay, then show download folder button. Since I'm removing this, I'm untick this, unchecked this, show subfolders expanded. Okay, then save this. Yeah, subfolders. So it didn't show that subfolders is expanded, but inside this there are actually two files are there. That is not yeah, that is also there. No, yeah, that is also there. All the that is not working actually. We'll edit this. Show download option, forced to download this. Yeah, forced to download this. By clicking on it, it may get downloaded. That's why it's giving like this. Download option, show expanded. Then we'll see what is on separate page. On separate page. Yeah, now we cannot see the content of this. I will turn this off. Better to see. Yeah, this is a folder introduction. Introduction section contains a folder learning resources, but you cannot see the content of this folder. If you click on this, that will take you to a new page. A new page. Yeah, this is a new page. In that page, you can see the content of this. The content of this. Okay. So the subfolder is actually collapsed. Okay, by default. Okay. Okay. Yeah, it is working. That is the subfolder is collapsed. Okay, it's not expanded. Okay, again, we'll go to the setting. We'll show better to show all those things in the same page for avoiding all the confusions. Okay. Yeah. Now the introductory section contains learning resources, which contains a folder and two files. An assignment question folder contains another file. You can put a Word file over here which contains the assignment questions. Okay. This way you can manage, and you can create this. If it is required, you can put this button over here, download folder. If it is not required, you can remove this. Okay. This way you can, yeah.
Sir, I want to know one thing here, like as we are adding resources,
Yeah.
is there any option that where we can I'm sorry, you have already told us that we can define the date on which it will appear, right? We can control that, right? Thank you. I'm sorry.
Yeah, it's okay, sir. Thank you, sir. It's a good question. Thank you, it's already answered. Okay. So this way you can manage a folder in our course page. So editing on. Files, you can move right, you can move left, you can hide, you can duplicate, you can assign role. Everything is there. Okay. Now we'll go for next resource. URL, uniform resource locator. URL. See, if you I'll make this a little bit left, move left. It'll be in the same order. Okay. See, when you place learning materials into your course page, that should be original work from your part. Okay. Otherwise, it may be problem with. See, actually, we are writing. You are agreeing some agreement or like some agreement with the Moodle side that you may not include any copyrighted materials into these websites. Okay. So if you include any copyrighted material, you should give proper attributions. Otherwise, don't upload any copyrighted materials into this Moodle site. Okay, so that will create a lot of problems. So if you want to add a very good lecture, if it is a video, audio, or any document from a website which is very good for the students, better you include a folder. Better you include it as a URL. Okay, as a link to that particular website. That is the best way to insert learning materials of other academicians or which is available in the website. Okay, so don't download that material and upload into our Moodle website. That will consume many dimensions are there that will consume our space. Okay, unnecessarily our space, because already available in the cloud, publicly available. Then better you give a link to that publicly available site. So for that, we can make use of the resource called the URL. Okay, I'm having a website. This is my website, lsp4u.com. lsp4u.com. This is my website. I am mainly giving this lecture notes, my Bachelor of Computer Application students unit wise, and everything, lab exercises, everything is I'm giving using this website only. Okay, so I want to give a link to a particular topic of this particular website. In this website, we'll do how to do this. Okay, so that I'm giving it on this. I'm changing the name of that particular topic as DBMS. Okay, database management system. Okay, add an activity, then resources, URL. Okay, this is database management system, learning materials. Okay, I'm giving like this. Okay, then I can put the URL over here. Okay, URL, I can copy this URL from this place. Okay, then I'm pasting. Okay, Control V to paste. Otherwise, I can choose a link using this button. Okay, you can download directly. You can download from Wikipedia or from anywhere you can put. It is possible. Then it's appearance. Click on appearance. Automatic, embed. See, automatic. Don't give automatic because our Moodle site will go off. That's a problem. The same window, the new website will appear. That's a problem. So better go for in pop-up or better embed. So I'm selecting it as embed, then save the button. So now the database management system. Now see the icons over here. This is a PDF. This is Word file. This is PDF. This is Word file. This is an image file. It shows that image also. This is a URL file. It shows a small this is internet connectivity issues. Okay, so click on this. When you click on this, the website will be available in your Moodle site. That's a use. Yeah, it's coming up. It's not coming up, maybe due to some restrictions and all, because this website is not HTTPS. That's maybe because of that it's not coming up. Okay, I will try to include another website into it. We'll try to do it. Okay. We'll go for ICT Kerala, ictkerala.org. We'll bring that website over here. Okay, this website. Okay. So instead of this LSP4U, I'm giving it as HTTPS. Then I'm saving this and click on this. The website will be downloaded. It should come. Yeah, it is downloaded into your course page. So this way, if the teacher have a blog, if the teacher has a blog or the teacher have maintained a website, that website can be included in your course page. Okay. This is the home page I'm given. No need of giving the home page. You can put, you see, the exact material will be in a page that will be inside the website. Okay, you go to that page and take the URL and put the URL in the course page. So that that page will be displayed on the Moodle page. This is a way you can create a URL into your web page. This is a way you can create a URL into your website. Okay.
So maybe put our like Google Docs link in there. You know?
Yeah, it is possible. Okay.
That could be, that could be.
Yeah, very good, sir.
No sense, like.
Yeah, very good, sir. Yeah, very good, sir. Yes, very good, sir. It has many dimensions. Instead of, suppose you are storing everything, you are storing your materials, learning materials in your Google Drive or in Amazon free spaces or in Lark, anywhere. If it is in the cloud, you can give that link of that cloud website into this area URL. So you can save your Google site space also. That is a better way. Yeah. Sometimes if your Google site down, you can get the data from your local Google Drive may not be down, so that is safe. So better you store all your valuable materials in some external storage media like cloud storage like Google Drive or LAC or any Amazon Web Services. Anywhere you can store it, and you can give link to with the use of this URL resource. That's a thank you, sir. That's a better way to give this. Okay. Okay. Now the last is a page. It's a page resource. Page resource. So see the options over here. These options are same for all the resources. Okay, you can make move, hide, duplicate, assign role, everything will be same. Okay. Now we can add a new page. I will remove this. This is the landing page of ICT Kerala. Enter key, it will change. Okay. Okay, I will include a page on this. A page is something different from a file actually. Okay, a page is something different from a file. You
I'm
can
sorry,
see.
just a minute, sir. I'm
Yes,
sorry
sir.
to interrupt you.
Yeah, no problem, sir.
There is a question that, that we have uploaded the PDF files in there, which a student can, view, like we have embedded it. So the student can view it within that particular course, right?
Yeah.
But there are always options to download. Like if we open an embedded PDF within the website, but student in most of the time the student has option to print or download it. Like even if we go to print,
here also there is different options for downloading and printing is
right.
Also there. Even if it is.
The thing is, I want to restrict that. I do not want that student can download that, but like if that material, I want to keep it exclusive. I do not want that anyone they can use it, they can read it, but they cannot download it, because once downloaded, they can circulate it.
Yeah, it is possible that when you create this document, you can restrict all those things. When you create this document, I think so. I will check it out and I'll clear the next session also, sir.
Okay.
I think it is possible to see when you create.
Possible, because that is again.
That should be possible, sir. That should be possible because we suppose if you want to remove the privileges to download and print, that should be available. Yeah, maybe that is possible. I will check it out. Maybe like this, when you create this document file, this PDF file, there may be there will be options for restricting download and print of this, even clicking right button, etc. That will check and clear later, sir. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Okay. And I will go for the page option. Excuse me. Riji sir is there? Riji sir?
Hello, sir. He's not available to.
Not available. Okay. Ashwati, please give that question to Riji sir to answer if it is possible. Try to answer in this session itself, if possible. Okay.
Yeah. So, can you repeat the question once more? Participant, actually.
Sir, can you repeat this question or the question?
The question is very simple.
Yeah.
That how we can restrict our files, to get downloaded or print, like our documents to download or print, by the student, or to whomsoever we want to restrict. Can it be restricted? Like right now, if we see on the screen, anyone can print it or download that PDF, right?
Yeah, you have to restrict that files from downloading and printing and all, right?
Yeah, that's all.
We want to put the restriction.
Yeah, that I will clarify. By the session itself, we will try to clarify it.
Thank you.
Sure.
Okay, thank you, Ashwati. Thank you, Ashwati. Okay. Now we'll go for the pages. pages is like this. I'll take my course. This is my course. This is page. This icon is, see the icon, this is file, and this is URL, and this is page. This file and pages are almost same. The content will be same. You can insert the content of a file into a page. Okay. A PDF file can contain text as well as images. Okay, text as well as images. But a page can contain the content of that file as well as other medias like video, audio, etc. That's the difference. A page can contain the contents of a PDF file, which contains text, images, okay, tables, etc., and other media like audio, video, etc. That is possible. So we can include all types of media into a page, and that page, we can make that page available to students. I will show you how to. Here, when you click on this, a video is a video I have inserted in a page. That video, students can play this video. That's all. But in our so I will create a small page which contains different. I will see how to insert a page into this course page. Click on add activity or resources. Check the tab, resources tab. Then click on this page item. So that will take you to a new window. We can give the name of the page. ICT Academy of Kerala. That is the name of the page. If you want to give some description, that description can be given over here, and you want to display that description like any other resources. And here you can type the page content. Okay, here you can type the page content. Page content will edit the page content. You can use this auto editor for editing the content in a neat format. So I will open open some of the folders, some of the files given by this. I'm opening a document file. Okay, so this sample docs. This is okay. So I have inserted some of the materials which are copied from somewhere. So we can make some modifications. Okay. Heading large. Okay, heading large. Then you can bold this. You can bold this. You can make it italic. Okay. Then if I want to insert an image over here, suppose I want to insert an image over here. Click on this. You can give a URL. You can download the image from the website, okay, or you can download from the local machine. Okay. So I'm inserting an image from the local machine. Okay. We need to give some image description over here. This is a very big photo size. Making it as a little bit small. Okay. Then image description. Image description is compulsory because in some browser won't allow to display the images. If it is not allowed, it will show the description over there. Okay. So image description, this is FDP logo, something FDP logo. Okay. And then save the image. Save the image. So that image appears over here. Okay. So this way you can create a page like this. Then suppose if you want to add a video over here, that I will show you later. Okay, we'll see. Appearance, display the page name, page description, display last modified date. That is also not required now. Then save this. Yeah, this is a page. Okay. Now I'm making this as turn editing off. Now, yeah, this is a page. Click on this page, the page will be opened in a new page, which contains the thing we have formatted in that page will be appeared there, and the image is also there. So you can the teacher can create a learning material with the use of different medias like text in different format, and images, even video also. They can put video over here, video, audio file also. See this. So for inserting audio and video, there are other methods. The labels are there. Still, it is possible to insert that video inside a page. So this way you can make that page more interactive. Okay. So
well, sir, I think I got my answer. That if
please, sir, please.
Want that particular content or PDF to be downloaded, instead of putting that file onto the course, we simply create a page of that particular content, so that they may not be like from browser, they may be able to print, but they will not be able to download it directly.
Okay.
This is what I feel. But
okay. We will check anyway. We will check it and give you, sir, the correct answer. Okay. Thank you. Thank you for your response, immediate response. Thank you. Okay, this way you can create a page over here, and we'll see how to add a video, insert a video inside a page. Okay, I'm taking the same page itself. So this is the page content. I'm adding a video over here. This is record video, and this is insert or edit video. Okay. Then you can have three tab over here: link, video, and audio. Click on that video. Then browse repository. See, directly you can type the video of URL. That is better way. Video of YouTube video you can download over here. That is another way. Okay. Which is this? Insert medium. I'm not sure about that video. We'll display it. Don't feel bad if it contains some. Yeah. So this way, this is a very interactive introduction about Python, a video. You can play this. You can insert this video inside your page. So you can explain about introductory. Your lecturer you can put over here with some images. and you can put a video of some expert over here for better understanding of the this way you can create, you can instead of video you can put insert audio also. Okay, so you practice this. You can play from the students can play the video. So this way you can insert video inside a page. Okay,
Sir, can we embed the Zoom live session?
pardon. Yeah, this live session of this one.
Yeah, this one. Just
Yeah,
live
the-
session चल रहा है, then
yeah,
we
yeah.
want to embed it.
Yeah, that's sir. All the live sessions from inaugural session onwards, we will be uploaded in ICT's Pathashala, and that will be available on today evening onwards. Okay, so today we will insert all the 4 sessions of yesterday's. Okay, evening we will insert.
Okay, after conduction of the live session, we can provide the link, either upload the video.
Yeah. After the session, after the day one will be inserted in day 2 end. Okay.
Live cannot be embedded.
Live session may not be possible. I think live session. So recorded session will be available, sir. Okay. So after this course also, we will upload all these sessions videos to ATAL's portal. The learners can, the participants can download or play the videos from the ICT portal also. Okay. Moreover, that will be available in 1 month in ICT's Pathashala also. So this is the way we can create different, we can insert, the teacher can insert different types of content. This should be properly formatted, good looking, then only the students will get more attraction to our course page. So we need to articulate it properly. We need to add some costumes like good looking pictures and all you can add. Better to avoid images and videos from the main course page. Better you insert all the images and videos, audios, etc. inside a page and make available to the students. So that way you can keep this website, your course website, your course page neat and tidy. Okay. This way almost I covered the task assigned to me. I covered the different activities of teacher, like creating courses, creating the resources into the course page, like files, folders, URL and page. And the participants, if you have any doubt now, you can ask me. And the session was very interactive. Many questions I can able to hear. Okay. Please, you are doing or what? You are doing? Participants, please type on chat box whether you are doing with me. And if any doubt, you can ask now.
No, sir. Thank you.
Oh, thank you very much. Thank you very much for patiently hearing my small session. Thank you very much. Thank you to Atal. Over to Indu ma'am.
Sir, can I add something?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. So regarding that doubt, no, right now in the Moodle Cloud, we don't have any option to restrict the downloading option and the print option and all. But when you're creating an Moodle account for your college or anything, that there we can customize it. Okay. And there is one option that is right click disable option is there. Okay. That option we will discuss once in the restrict access settings. We have a session, right? So at that time we will demonstrate how you can set. Right now in Moodle Cloud, we don't have any such option, sir.
Oh, all right. So it means you want to say that when we own a particular Moodle instance, then
Yes.
by the time of installation, we can do that disabling the right click and downloading or
Yes,
printing
of
option.
course. That we are using in partial actually, but right now no, we are all giving the contents in the video contents from mapping from Vimeo. Only the questions, assignment questions and all we are giving as a document. But there is an option, right click disable option is there when you customize.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you, Murugan sir. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Once again, I thank all the participants to patiently waiting, patiently watching and hearing my session. Over to Indu ma'am.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir. Seems there are no doubts. Thank you so much, sir, for such a fruitful session. So let me invite Ms. Fabina KR, Assistant Professor, MES College, Marampalli, for proposing the vote of thanks. Ma'am, please.
Good afternoon, all of you. We have come to the end of 5th session. The session is effectively handled by Dr. R. Murugan. He explained about the Moodle resources very well. I take this golden opportunity to extend my sincere gratitude to Dr. R. Murugan on the behalf of Department of Computer Applications, MES College, Marambili, for this fruitful session. I thank all the participants who made this session a grand success. Thank you.
Thank you, Fabina.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much, sir, for such a fruitful session. So that's our session 5. So now we'll be going for a lunch break, and after that we'll rejoin by 2 p.m. Isn't it okay, sir? Murugan, sir?
Yeah. We'll rejoin by 2 p.m. 2 p.m.
Yeah. Okay. So in the afternoon session, we'll be having Meera ma'am with more resources in Moodle. Thank you so much, participants, for such an interactive session. Thank you so much. Let's leave for lunch. Thank you. Please rejoin at 2 p.m. Stick on to time. Thank you.
Thank you.